Oh yes, hello traders. Aki Adewale here. Yes, here on another trade, we're looking to take on the volatility 1 second, 150 1 second index on the 5 minute time frame. We have identified a trend, a bearish trend, and we are seeing a bearish flag forming. What is a bearish flag? It's a little consolidation to the upside on a bearish trend where price is trying to correct itself. So the first thing you want to do is set your trend lines accurately, mapping out the charts. So you want to set your trend lines at the week, not touching the bodies, at the week. And with price, you want to buy low and sell high. I entered too early because of the area of confluence I had mapped out. I entered at the low end of the trend line, which is not a proper place to enter into a trade, guys. You want to sell high. You want to sell high. Take note of that. So because I didn't enter very much lot size, I had the luxury of waiting for price to approach a better price. And then I took the opportunity to enter more positions after mapping out my stop loss and my take profits positions, my first and second take profits. So when price went back to the upside, that's to touch the higher part of the trend line, I noticed what we call a head and shoulder forming. So I quickly entered more sell positions at the beginning of the right shoulder. So price went immediately in my direction because I know that overall eventually price will be selling. So we did approach our first TP. We took our first TP, then price continued in our direction. So trend lines are very important in trading. The first thing you want to learn basically in trading after understanding what chart structure is how to map trend lines and how to identify chart patterns and setting up trend lines. They are very, very important in technical analysis because they help you identify your trading supports and resistance to know where price will be reacting as it moves along a trend. So yes, we continue to go bearish, we continue to map out charts, we continue to set to observe the chart and see what price is doing to know exactly if price will be reversing or not, so we can take our profit ASAP. But price did as we expected. It continued bearish, approaching our second TP. So these are the things that I'll be putting you guys through. There's a lot to learn in technical analysis. Trend lines is one very important factor when analyzing your chart. So when this course that I'm prepping is ready, you will be understanding what trend line is. So basically, price did hit our second take profit and it continued bearish. Yes, it did some little bit of twerking around the take profit level. The brokers will increase their spread. Normally, they don't want you to hit take profit, but we did eventually hit take profit, and I closed out my positions manually. The rest of my positions actually manually, and the trade ended. Knowing that the trade will continue bearish, I didn't care. I already have what I needed. So that's it, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips like this. Peace.